My daughter and I are here. We are having so much fun playing with these dress-up mannequin dolls. This is like a really cool gift because the box itself that it comes in is super giftable. It comes with so many different options. You can see I've got 3 mannequins out right here, but inside, look at all of these additional options there. We have a bunch of different dress options, and they're pre-cut, which is really, really nice. So we're not needing to cut with scissors. I mean, you can if you want to, but it's got a bunch of different beautiful dress options. I have a couple laid out here so that you can see. The fabric itself is really pretty. I love the shimmer and the different options right here. Ari was going for more of like an Elsa look right here with the blue. We also have like more of this pink. You like the pink one?
Yeah, and do pink.
The pink one's cool, huh?
And do pink one.
Okay, we'll do the pink one next.
It's like a pink hat.
It is kind of like a pink hat. And then right here we've got like the top. So basically how it works is each one comes with the dress. And it's, again, you don't have to cut with scissors, so that's a huge plus. And then right here is more of like the shawl, the top. So how it works and how you get it to stay on the mannequin is in the back. So right here, you can see on the back of the mannequin, it has this like jagged section. And so basically what we're doing, so you can see this part is kind of coming off. I can come over here and push this inside. Oh, that was a bad example. Right here. So you can push this inside and it will stay there. So then you can basically form and create this outfit however you want. It has double stick tape. It's got all sorts of little gems and flowers and things that you can use to decorate all of these. What are these, honey?
Different stuff, and these are like pink stuff.
Yeah, pink stuff. We like the pink stuff, huh? And I love that, like, seriously, just the
And
intricate
glue.
details. You could geek out on this. Me as a mom, I could have so much fun making these super legit. It even comes with our mannequin. What did we name her? Maddie the mannequin. And so if we find a design that we like, we could even dress her up as well, which is super fun. It comes with all of these little white things, which is like the base. That's how I got this to be super fluffy, is underneath we have like the fluff base, which is really fun. Let's add, okay, should we add a little ruffles to her outfit?
Yeah, this.
With some Velcro?
Yeah.
All right. Is it sticky Velcro?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not sticky. Let's use the double stick tape instead. Can you use this? Like, see this? So stick it on her back right there.
Super sticky.
It is super sticky. Can you stick it right here on her back so we can tape this down?
Yeah.
Right here, sweetheart. Yes. Just like that. Oh, it's so sticky. And so I'm going to stick it here and then wrap this around and we'll stick it here. Okay, should we do her little sleeve? We're going to push this in right here. Push this inside of the dress. And then we're going to come back around here and we're going to use the double stick tape again. Okay, can I give you another piece of tape?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put this on her back?
Yeah,
so. Yes, right there. So we're going to try to put it right there. Can you tape that down?
Yeah.
So I'll flip this up, put it right there. Yep. Good job. So we got the double stick tape. I'm going to put it back around right there. So look, so she's got a beautiful sleeve. Oh, should we give her a belt?
Yeah, belt.
Oh, let's give her a belt. Where did our little beads? Oh, right here.
Jeez.
Okay, so these are sticky beads. And we're going to put this around her waist. So I'm going to put it right there at the top. Right. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I love that. So overall, this is so much fun. Yeah, we could just keep adding and keep making this super fun. We could do that one next, okay? Okay, do you like this? Is this fun?
Yeah, and you will glue and put it right there.
Sounds good. Well, we hope you enjoy as well. Say bye.
And bye.